ठीक है। और एंकर
बट अभी भी आपकी आवाज में इतना दम मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। आई होप कि आपने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया, राइट? Great. We'll be having a lot of things out here. You just have to wait for a while because patience is always fruitful in life. The very first thing I want to share. और पहली बार 4 साल में ऐसा हुआ है that total 335 teams had participated. So Indore is a big round of applause for you people. आप लोग एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाओ. Come on everybody. First time in the history we have broken all the records with participants of 335 teams. Great ahead. Okay. The very first thing I want to ask with you people that can't see anybody's hands down over here. किसका भी हाथ मुझे नीचे नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. Okay now, hands down, hands down, hands down. अब महाभारत और रामायण की कथा किस-किस को बहुत अच्छे से पता है? I can see only 25% of people have raised their hand. This is such kind of events. Now, let me take you to the guidelines of the company organization and the main motto. Famous for Cycle Pure Agarbattis. Cycle Pure Agarbattis believes in preserving India's culture and heritage. To this end, they organize many events around the country to revive lost arts and cultures. Cycle Heritage Quiz is an initiative in this direction. It began in Kolkata in 2011. In 2012, it was held in Chennai, Ahmedabad, and Kolkata. And in 2013, CHQ was held in 7 cities and became a truly national property. With this current year, we are handling this event in 12 cities. With this, Indore is a new addition to it. बट अभी भी आपकी आवाज में और उसी के साथ साथ आपकी तालियों मुझे इतना दम नहीं दिखाई दिया है, तो एक बार और जोरदार तालियां हो जाए आप सभी के लिए. Come on everybody! Thank you so much. That was before a huge round of applause. Now, very first thing, you have got 2 answers. It should be yes sir. Okay? Am I clear? Yes sir. Great. Now this is the time कि I call upon the senior members of Cycle Pure Agarbattis. Can we have Mr. Dwight Das, Mr. Ani?
So come this side. Come close. All of you come this side. This side, please. Okay. This side. That's it. Sound. Put the sound.
Thank you so much to all the senior members.
मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूंगा थोड़ा सा हिंदी में इंग्लिश में मिला के बात करने के लिए। आपका कोई आपत्ति नहीं है ना उसमें? थैंक यू। हर दिन हम लोग बहुत सारे डिसीजंस लेते हैं, और डिसीजंस दो किस्म का होता है। वन इज कॉन्शियस डिसीजंस, वन इज सबकॉन्शियस डिसीजंस। ये कॉन्शियस डिसीजंस जो है वो हम लोगों का सेंसेस के ऊपर डिपेंड करके गाइडेड होते हैं, ड्रिवन होते हैं। एंड वो सेंसेस है विजुअल सेंसेस, ऑडिटरी सेंसेस। These two are the main important senses, what we recognize, register and act accordingly. But subconscious decisions are taken by varied senses which are sublime, and smell is one that kind of senses. Science says that it's a olfactory senses, which you know. So ये खुशबू का जो बात है, इसका एक अलग वर्ल्ड है जो हम लोग सब महसूस करते हैं, लेकिन शायद उतनी अच्छी तरह से पहचानते नहीं जितनी अच्छी तरह से हम लोग विजुअल क्यूज को या ऑडिटरी क्यूज को पहचानते हैं। और साइकिल अगरबत्तीज लास्ट 66 ईयर्स से वो खुशबू की डिलीवरी करते हैं आपको, तो आपका वो महसूस हो जो आपका सबकॉन्शियस डिसीजन लेने में सहायता करे, सहयोग दे, लेकिन शायद हम लोग उसको उसी तरह से रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करते। ये खुशबू अगर इसको थोड़ा सा अच्छी तरह से जाने हम लोग, तो खुशबू का जो सेंसेस है, ये हमारा ब्रेन में हाइपोथैलेमस बोल के एक जगह है, वहाँ पे खुशबू का एक डिक्शनरी होता है, और इसका अपना ही कुछ रूल्स, अपना ही कुछ तरीका होता है आपका साथ, आपको ड्रिवन करने के लिए, आपका डिसीजंस को समझने के लिए, आपका सिचुएशन को समझने के लिए, आपका डिसीजन लेने के लिए। तो दैट सेंसेस बहुत डिफरेंट होता है एक पर्सन से और एक पर्सन। किसी पर्सन के लिए जो खुशबू है वो और एक पर्सन के लिए खुशबू नहीं हो सकता है, और हो भी सकता है। तो इसी सीक्वेंस में और इसी सिचुएशन में एक जनरल फ्रैग्रेंस तैयार करना बहुत बहुत चैलेंज होता है, बहुत बड़ा एक चैलेंज होता है। तो वो चैलेंज साइकिल अगरबत्तीज लास्ट 66 ईयर्स से निभा रहे हैं, और 51 कंट्रीज में हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं अभी। तो आप समझ सकते हो कि कितने सारे लोगों को पास उनका पसंद का फ्रैग्रेंस हम लोग प्रोवाइड करके आए हैं। मैं थैंक यू सो मच। मैं शब्द में भारी नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, एक थोड़ा सा वो ऑडियो विजुअल क्यूज जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्यूज है उसका सहारा लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा ये बताने के लिए कि महक, खुशबू और साइकिल अगरबत्ती ये कैसे मिला हुआ। थैंक यू। पिताश प्लीज द वीडियो।
quality backed by values will always succeed. Sri N. Ranga Rao's philosophy proved true with the inception of N. Ranga Rao and Sons. It all began in Mysore, where the humble cycle inspired his first venture, the purest form of simplicity, the cycle. It is value for money, irrespective of race, color, or social standing. It is fueled only by human energy and faith. And most significantly, it is a symbol of freedom. Cycle Pure Agarbattis, a venture that came to provide strength, faith, and peace to millions. Sri N. Ranga Rao's ideals have been passed on from generation to generation. Since inception, the women in the family have also played a vital role in the intricate and sensitive business of incense sticks. It is much to their credit that Cycle Pure Agarbattis has earned the hearts of thousands of patrons. Over time, it was his 4 pillars of progress, namely customer satisfaction, originality, honesty, and hard work that formed the stronghold of his empire, taking the group and its stakeholders to new heights. But at the end, he taught the world one very valuable lesson: innovation and quality, backed by values for the benefit of customers, will always succeed.
So, thank you. Last 2 decades, there are 3 forces which is actually driving the world or shaping the world in a way. We all know those 3 forces. If one is globalization, another one is liberalization of the economy, and the third is the technological advancement. So with these 3 forces, our lifestyle has changed. The way we are thinking, the way we are living, and the way we are communicating has been changed. Nowadays, we are not taking autographs of an icon. We are doing selfies, right? Everybody has an account in Facebook. We are all in social media, right? So these are the changes. These, if we see this as a progress, quiz, which is part of our life, part of our society, also reflects that. So quiz on science, quiz on sports are very cool. We all come to do that. But a quiz on heritage, is it not different? Is it cool? Actually, what do you think? Is it cool? Why it is cool? Tell me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. One of our young friends wants to tell that quizzes talks about our monuments, our culture, our heritage, our other traditions. So these are all we want to know. What are those things are all? What she was telling. There is a commonality in all these things, what she was telling. And that probably has differentiated us, distinguished us from the whole globalized world. We call it culture. But the culture starts from even more original something, which is known as values. So what is our values? Let me take an example. We all know that the most common puja we all do is probably Lakshmi Puja, right? In everybody's house, that Lakshmi Puja will be there. Whatever may be the part of the country you are from, whatever may be the caste, creed, whatever, but normally we do the Lakshmi Puja all. Why you do Lakshmi Puja? Because Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth. So everybody want to earn wealth, so we do Lakshmi Puja. Now, this earning wealth and doing Lakshmi Puja are equal completely, or there is some differences? If you see carefully, you'll see that earning wealth honestly symbolizes true Lakshmi Puja. But you know very well nowadays earning wealth can happen in so many other ways also. So this part of earning wealth honestly is the values which forms our culture. Now these values in Cycle Agarbattis we have revisited several times to find out what is our value system. In our experience, in our delivery, in our service, and in our overall organizational system, we have developed a value system, revisiting our core values. We say it in our 3 words. We are simple, we are pure, we are free, and hence we are cycle. So these 3 are the values of Cycle Pure Agarbattis. Through this Cycle Heritage Quiz, we expect, we hope that you all will get a chance to revisit your values and which you may define or redefine your value system. So together we'll find common values, and those common values may form together the national values of the country. And that's the way forward we understand. I'll just take little more time to communicate that this is the 16th episode of Cycle Heritage Quiz. As Kapil was saying, it has started in Calcutta. It has traveled across different parts of the country and arrived at Indore. And in the 16th episode, the people who were with us, you need to know. If Cycle Heritage Quiz has been fathered by Cycle Pure Agarbattis, then I must say that it has been mothered by GAN Space. Those people are here. Titash, in his apt leadership, and Anurag, they are the both 2 people from GAN Space. And in this marriage, what you have seen, the Cycle Heritage product is the product which we will experience all in a short while from now. Quiz, we believe, is probably a riot of knowledge and memory, but slowly it will shape a lesson in your life. तो आज किसने जीता किसने हारा वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. आपका हर सवाल जो इस क्विज में पूछा जाएगा वो इतना इंटरनली रिसर्च्ड है, वो आपको हमारा हेरिटेज से कुछ लेसन प्रोवाइड करेंगे. तो आप अगर वो लेसन लेके घर जाएंगे तो आपका वैल्यू सिस्टम एनरिच हो सकता है. ये उम्मीद लेके शुरू करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a wonderful speech with all the kids out here. Now, as Mr. Dwaipin Das told, we have a creator content team out here who have organized the whole quiz for you people. Now it's time I request Titash Banerjee of Gyan Space to kindly come on the stage to start the preliminary round. Before that, can we have a huge round of applause for Titash? Before Titash starts, I would like to tell you a little about the organization, about Gyan Space, that they are the primary content providers for Cricket IQ, the biggest ever online cricket organized by ESPN Cricket Info. They have been the knowledge partners in science, in various technologies, organize a lot of live quizzes as well, so a lot of workshops as well. This is a brief about this Gyan Space. Before that, Titash, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well, Kapil, and it's really great to see such a jam-packed auditorium, khachakach bhara hua.
I hope you have been working from last 4 years, and first time even you have seen such a large amount of people out here, 335 teams. How you are feeling about the same?
Absolutely, it's very encouraging to come to a city like Indore for the first time and to see a jam-packed auditorium. In fact, we were discussing in the morning that it would be very hard for us to accommodate all the teams, you know, if we have more teams coming in. And so, please give yourselves a big round of applause.
Great. Before starting this preliminary round, the basic round which you will qualify for the finals. Before that, can we do a competition? Come to here, in the center. Okay. Half of the part, यहाँ से ये आपकी team है, और half of the part is team mine. This is
Good.
team A and that is your team B. Let's see कि किसकी team की आवाज में सबसे ज़्यादा दम है. Okay.
So, Team Ditash, can I have a loud round of applause? Come on, you can do better.
Okay, great है.
ठीक है, ये तो कड़ी चुनौती है आपके लिए.
टीम बी का परफॉर्मेंस कड़ी चुनौती हम हमेशा एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. नाउ टीम ए बिना किसी जद्दोजहद के हर